Imagine living in Italy and being able to run errands in France. This home is located in Acetico, a hamlet in the municipality of Piedmont, about a 30-minute drive from both France and the Ligurian seaside. This 120 square metre property includes 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, along with an unfinished storage cellar, garage and parking area. The bright, airy kitchen features a panoramic balcony, which can be reached through a French door. Off the main bedroom, there is also a 20 square metre terrace, which offers panoramic views of the surrounding mountains. A second terrace is used as a solarium, where you can sunbathe in private. There is also a bonus room of about 20 square metres, which could be converted into a guest annex. Although there is no central heating, there is a wood-burning stove in the kitchen on the first floor and an electric hot water system. This house is partially furnished and ready to be used immediately as a holiday home. The asking price is just €95,000, and this is one of those properties that most likely won't last long on the market. More information about this property, including a link to the original listing and Realtors' contact information, can be found in the Houses We Love section of Live Your Dream Italy.